again from the shelter. Sometimes they get other animals like chickens. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. I like the chickens. Wish I could have some. They're fun. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. And come say hi. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. That's right. So you never know what you're gonna see. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, buck. Buck, 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 buck. Lots of personality, huh? Oh, you coming to say hi? Oh, focus, there you go. Bark, bark, bark. Anyway, it's always fun to check out the shelter. You never know what's going to be here. Oh, somebody's wanting attention over here. Bark, 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 bark. All right. Are you happy? Yeah? Bark, 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 bark. Lots of personality. Anyway, that's the chicken adventures and roosters and hens. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.